Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set up an alarm on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the clock app on your smartphone. Now from here, just select alarm at the bottom row on the screen. On this page, just tap on the plus icon to create a new alarm. Now from here, just set the time for your alarm. Now it is currently on ring once, but if you want to repeat this alarm, just tap on work, and from here you can set your work days, or you can tap on custom, and from here you can customize the days of the week when you want to repeat this alarm. Just like that. Now after that, if you tap on alarm name, you can give a name to your alarm. For an example, I will name it good morning. After you give a name to your alarm, then tap on ringtone, and from here you can set a ringtone for your alarm. Just tap on classic or nature, and from here just select a ringtone for your alarm, just like that. And if you use Spotify, you can select a music from your Spotify list. Now once you select a ringtone for your alarm, then go back, and from here you can enable or disable the vibration feature when the alarm rings, and beneath that you can set up the snooze button. Now you can select the minutes from here, and beneath that you can select the amount of times for your snooze button. And once you do that, then tap on done to save. And this is how you can set up an alarm on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.